All right, let's talk about grooming. But I mean, really talk about it. Because you know what? It's so much more than just a morning routine you have to power through. We're going to explore this from a completely new angle, starting from the inside out.
So, when you hear the word grooming, what pops into your head? Is it just a checklist? Shave, moisturize, floss, check, check, check. It's so easy for self-care to start feeling like a bunch of rules you have to follow. But what if? What if we've been looking at it all wrong?
Okay, let's try to reframe this. Grooming isn't a list of chores. It's an act of self-care. It's the practice of enhancing your natural beauty, and you do it through simple, consistent habits. And when you see it that way, suddenly it's not a task anymore. It's this empowering thing you do just for yourself.
And that empowering act, it doesn't actually begin with what you put on your skin. No, it all starts from within. And that right there, that's the core idea we're going to build on today, this whole inside-out approach to looking and, more importantly, feeling your absolute best.
So, before we even get to talking about skin or hair or any of that, we have to look at the foundation. This is all about building from the inside, right? Creating this really strong base of inner health that everything else can stand on.
And these are the 5 non-negotiable pillars. Think about it. Healthy food is literally fuel for your skin. Water hydrates you from the inside. And sleep, that's when your body does all its major repair work. You add in some activity to get your circulation going and manage your stress so it doesn't show up on your face. And trust me, these aren't just some vague health tips. This is the absolute bedrock of any grooming routine that actually works.
Okay, so now let's move to that next layer. Once you've got that internal foundation feeling really solid, we can start to focus on the core daily routines. Those essential, consistent habits that keep us healthy and feeling fresh day in and day out.
Skincare really doesn't need to be this complicated 10-step process. It all comes down to these 4 essentials. You've got cleansing, moisturizing, and this is the big one, applying sunscreen every single day. That's your defense. Then you throw in a weekly exfoliation to keep everything smooth and bright. Seriously, consistency here is so much more important than complexity.
And of course, that core routine isn't just for your face. It extends to your whole body. A daily shower, moisturizing your skin, taking care of your teeth, these are the daily non-negotiables. It's not just about being clean. It's about starting and ending your day feeling confident and just really truly cared for.
And now for the final layer. See, once you have that strong foundation and those core habits locked in, we get to the really fun part, polishing your personal style and expressing who you are to the world. Hair care is a perfect example of this. It's not just about styling it to look good for a day, it's about its health. Nourishing your hair, maybe with some regular oiling, and getting those trims to stop split ends, that's what keeps it looking and feeling great long term. The goal is just healthy, neat, and manageable hair. Simple as that.
And hey, don't forget the little details. Nail tear is one of those small things that makes a huge difference in how polished and put together you feel. Just keeping them clean, trimmed, and nicely shaped, that's all it takes.
The same idea goes for facial grooming. We're talking about the subtle touches, maybe keeping your eyebrows tidy or using some light, natural-looking makeup. The point is to enhance your features, not to cover them up. It's all about feeling like the best version of yourself.
And then finally, your wardrobe kind of pulls everything together. Wearing clean clothes that fit you well and that you just feel good in, well, that's the ultimate form of self-expression, isn't it? It's not about chasing trends, it's about showing off your unique personality.
So, as we bring this all together, I hope you can see how each layer just naturally builds on the last one. It's this holistic view, right? It connects our inner wellness, which is the foundation, to our core habits, and then to our outer personal style.
And if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this. True grooming reflects not just your outer appearance, but also your inner health and your confidence. It's that feeling of self-respect that comes from taking care of your whole self. So I'll leave you with a question to mull over. When you look at your own routine, what's that one habit, it could be big or small, that really helps you connect your inner wellness with how you express yourself on the outside? It's a pretty powerful thought to carry with you.